just give you a little update. Picked up a couple of pieces of equipment last night, and both of them is these two SWR power meters. We've got the old Macronta tree range. We've all seen these before, and some people like them, some people don't. Personally, I like them. They're good for up to 500 watts. They do 550, 500. They do modulation as well as SWR, and also got a monitor. So basically you can stick a pair of headphones into this and you can hear your own audio over your headphones. It's a pretty cool little meter actually. I like it. And then we've got this other Macronta. It's also an SWR power meter. As you can see, she does up to 2000 watts. It does SWR and power on the PEP as well as average. So for testing SSB radios, sideband radios, the PEP selection is awesome to have. So yeah, there's your meter. SWR on top, power on the bottom. So yeah, it's an interesting little meter. I've had these in the past, and they're good little meters actually. I find them pretty good. And of course, this one, as I just showed before, your wattage, your modulation, your SWR. So, and the big thing I guess you guys are wanting to see, I guess, would be the AM CB base station, the Realistic TRC-431. And this one here now is a TRC-431 base station. I just put on the light here so you can see her a bit better. And so there we go. Delta tune, squelch, volume, speaker. She's a Navajo. On the air modulation, S meter, RF meter, gel selector, and PA switch. This 431 also has the original Radio Shack stock mic. A lot of people like these, and to be honest with you, I like them. I like the audio from them. And it's a DAC mic, catalog 21-1172, Radio Shack 10, division of Tandy Corporation. They are good, quite good audio from these microphones, believe it or not. So, yeah. So, let's go a little bit into a short amount of history that I managed to find out about this radio within the last 30. So, one of the things I managed to find out about this TRC-431 is, unfortunately, it does have issues. It has a few issues, I will call it. One, the volume control down here is very scratchy when you go to use it. So yeah, the volume control is not the greatest here. Very scratchy. Change our either clean, I got to replace it. Squelch control is okay. As far as I can tell, Delta tune is fine. Then when you transmit on ear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the two lights work there for on the ear and modulation. But the power meter, she's sticking. Yeah, needle is not working. Not working correctly. Anyways, she's sticking. So we got to look into that. That's problem number 2. We have another issue. We'll get into it in a minute. But all the channel segments on the display all work. No problem with them. But the PLL chip seems to have a issue. A lot of the channels, over half the channels, stay basically on one channel, and as we all know, channel 30 should be 27.305 megahertz. Now, remember, boys, I just got this radio. I don't know what was done with it. I don't know who had it. And quite frankly, I don't care. But the radio has issues, and I'm going to find out what those issues are and hopefully fix them. So, let's get on to the frequency part of it. So, channel 30, which should be 27305, is 27244, or 27245. So, yeah, the radio has issues. I don't know if somebody was messing with the PLL in the radio or what, but yeah. So it's either a PLL malfunction or the VCO's out of whack. So yeah, so we got a volume control is problem number 1. We've got a needle problem in the meter problem, as well as frequency problem. And another thing that I was reading about last night about the TRC-431, these radios do not have any fuse inside of them. And from what I was reading online, the TRC-431 is a fire hazard because of it. And it's been documented online by a couple of people that the TRC-431 has actually caused fires in people's houses. So yeah, I guess we'll call that problem number 4. So we're definitely going to get that under control and get a fuse in there. Get a 3 amp, I would say, should be plenty for that radio. So anyways, we're going to put her on the old repair bench out there, and we're going to see what in the world is going on with this TRC-431 and what the frequencies are completely, utterly messed up. So yeah, if you want to see what's on the go with a 431, well, stay tuned for part 2. All the best, guys.